Hey there, lawn care enthusiasts. Are you looking for a new lawn mower but don't want to break the bank? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're reviewing 12 of the best lawn mowers under $300, perfect for every lawn size and every budget. Whether you have a small yard or a larger plot, we've got you covered. Stick around to find the perfect mower for you. Let's dive right in with our top pick. Let's dive right in with our top picks, starting with the Lithely Cordless Electric Lawn Mower, which is our top pick for the best overall performance under $300. It's perfect for smaller to medium-sized yards with a 14-inch cutting deck and a powerful 40V battery. Let's check it out in action. This model is lightweight, easy to maneuver, and super quiet compared to traditional gas mowers. Whether you're looking to maintain a smooth, even cut or mulch your clippings, this one has you covered. Now, moving on to the Sevum cordless lawn mower, which is great for those who need a large grass collection bag. It comes with a large 60-liter bag, perfect for minimizing those frequent stops. Here's how it stacks up in our tests. With a 40V battery and multiple height settings, this mower is designed for homeowners with flat terrain. Plus, the lightweight design makes it really easy to handle. A perfect choice for small to medium-sized lawns. Next up, the Lithely cordless lawn mower with 5 height settings, another excellent budget-friendly option. Its 40V battery and adjustable height settings give you full control over your lawn care. Let's see how it performs. We love the smooth operation and the fact that it's cordless, making it much easier to navigate tight spots and obstacles. It's a great, easy-to-use option if you're on a budget. For those of you looking for a versatile combo pack, we recommend the Lawn Master Cordless Lawn Mower and Trimmer Combo. You get the best of both worlds with a powerful mower and an efficient trimmer, all under $300. The 2-in-1 functionality makes it great for trimming the edges of your lawn, and the 40V battery gives you plenty of juice to get the job done. It's the perfect combo for those who want convenience at an affordable price. Moving on, we have the Mowers cordless lawn mower with dual battery. This one stands out because it comes with two 40V batteries, meaning you can mow your lawn without any interruptions. Let's see how it handles in real-world conditions. The self-propelled feature and large 20-inch cutting deck make this model perfect for larger yards, especially if you don't want to be dealing with gas mowers. The dual batteries really extend the runtime, so you'll get more done with less downtime. Next, let's take a look at the classic Black Plus Decker 3-in-1 lawn mower. This one's great for those who need versatility with mulching, bagging, and side discharge options, all at a great price. This mower does it all. Whether you want to mulch your grass clippings back into the lawn, bag them, or side discharge, it's all possible with this affordable mower. And if you're looking for an eco-friendly option, check out the American 4-blade push reel mower. It's manual, which means no gas or electricity, and it's super quiet. This is a great eco-conscious option for smaller yards. It provides a clean cut and requires no maintenance. Just push and go. Plus, it's perfect for anyone who wants to get a little exercise while mowing their lawn. So which one's the best for you? Well, it depends on your lawn size, the features you prioritize, and how much effort you want to put into your lawn care. But whichever you choose, these mowers all provide excellent value under $300. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more lawn care tips and reviews. Drop a comment below telling us which lawn mower you're planning to pick up. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Happy mowing!